Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally free sports app to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is actually pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And first of all, what you have to do is get the app called Downloader. You can actually get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app because Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on it, and now that's the app that you gotta get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now in order to set up Downloader, you have to go to settings on your Fire Stick. So click this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it. And now in here, you will have to turn on developer options on your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make one appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. So open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install non-apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick, which is right here. We open it and here's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Belgium right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and finally open it on your Fire Stick. And now here in Downloader, what you have to do is open that search bar, and now in the search we need to enter a code, which will be 302 and then 390. So once again, 302390, that's the code you have to enter, and then click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now when the website opens, you have to click on that green download APK button right here, and then an ad might pop up, which you have to close down by clicking close right here. And now the download of this amazing app should start, so usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast speed, so that took us only a couple of seconds. And then you click install and wait for the app to finish installing on your Fire TV Stick. And after that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your Firestick, you open it up, and here's the app that we just installed. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open this app, and from here you get access to channels from US, UK, Canada, Australia, European countries, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels available in this app, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.